feel it every time you see me in. What's my favorite word? Why they gotta say it like short? You know.
Welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, Dr. Ross, and this is Black King Sebastian. And as you can see, Black King Sebastian has on our new Rose and Gold Rasta face mask so that you can get covered up for the coronavirus. It's two-tone so you can switch up the colors. And not only that, we do have the new Rose and Gold healing ring. It is straight from Jamaica. The rocks and the crystals inside of it is powerful. I'm telling you guys right now, it's not plastic, it's not fake. When you put it on, you will feel the energy. And the great thing about this stone is, if you have too much negative energy, it is sucking all of your negative energy out of you so that you can be positive. If you have too much negative energy, it will crack. But the good thing is, it's only $10. You can even use it as a wedding ring. So Kylie Jenner, that's for you. Let's get straight into these hot topics.
That's right, Dr. Ross. Let's get into our first hot topic with the Offset and the Cardi B. So Cardi B recently posted a tweet saying that she is single now.
And I'm guessing that Offset went and he tried to react to this tweet. First of all we want to say is, Cardi B, it's a good thing you left him because no, you shouldn't have been with Offlink. I know you're a little bit of Offsetting too, but no. Offlink, 2 Chainz, whatever his name was, it's a no for us.
He was Offset from the beginning.
Exactly.
Let's move into our next hot topic.
For our next hot topic, if you guys haven't seen Adele's crazy transformation, then you're missing out. But I guess Adele took this opportunity that she has a hot, fit body now, a completely different face, and she's taken this opportunity to go start dating Naomi Cambell's ex. You guys already know how that works, and what are your thoughts about this Black King Sebastian?
Even though that he looks pretty ratchet, you already know that she's looking for the chocolate. She's looking for the black magic.
I'm not gonna lie, he does look like Ratatouille, but you know, I guess it was the color that really, she saw the flavor in it, because they do say the darker the berry, the sweeter the juice, and that's exactly what Adele was looking at. Let's get into our next hot topic.
I'm just a nigga with a rocket launcher.
Our next hot topic is with Miss Lori Harvey. So Lori Harvey is going out there and she's posting new pics which make her look mouth-watering.
Exactly. You know, we were both hearing about this Black King Sebastian. Apparently, Lori Harvey has gotten back into the gym and she's just trying to prove Future what he's missing out on. And I'm not gonna lie, you should have stayed home. That's all I'm gonna say. You should have stayed home because you already know Steve Harvey is probably just ready to ring you around because, first of all, you went with a raggedy nigga, and not only did you go with a raggedy nigga, he was clowning. I mean, every single song this man made, every single thing was, my money's longer than Stevie. Stevie ain't got nothing on me.
And Miss Lori Harvey, this is a thumbs down from me. You obviously haven't listened to the Uncle Steve.
Exactly.
Think like a man, act like a woman. Because you obviously didn't read the part where he said you need to think 90 days before going out with someone.
Exactly.
Or listening to any guy.
Exactly.
And second of all,
90 days before you even fall in love. And Lori,
second of all, you need to change up your outfit. Because
Exactly.
you don't need to be wearing white tennis shoes for a workout outfit.
only person who still does.
Wear the reggae sandals.
Exactly.
The leather Jamaican sandals.
Exactly, because that will make you start looking fresh instead of those white tennis shoes proving so hard to Future that he is missing out on something that he doesn't know what, because you already know he's clowning in Atlanta. But let's get into our next hot topic.
Anne Heche explains why she stormed off Dancing with the Stars.
All I'm gonna say is, Anne Heche, you don't have to take it personally. On the Dancing with the Stars, we did watch the show Black King Sebastian and I, and it was a fantastic show. It looked like you guys had a lot of fun out there. You were with your partner, and the amount of times you were stroking him, hugging him, and kissing him while he was standing there like this, it seemed like you had a lot of fun. You didn't have to storm off. What are your thoughts, Black King Sebastian?
She's probably mad because, well, there was the slip up, and she probably thought that, oh, they're probably going to put me in there. But it ended up being the other couple, the NFL player with the one girl.
Exactly, and that was on Dancing with the Stars' fault. But Tyra Banks even said it herself. She said, "This is what happens when you are live on TV. There's always some technical issues, and her cards were messing up." But don't take it to the game. Just keep playing because it was out. You guys are going out there to have fun. That's really what it is. It's not even if you guys win or lose. It's
That's
really
right.
to have fun.
Keep playing, play it. Let's move into our final hot topic for today. Brian Austin Green talks about being the giraffe on The Masked Singer. What are your thoughts on this, Dr. Ross?
All I have to say is Brian Austin Green was on the 902.1 or whatever show he was on, and it's not going to really rekindle any flames right now because he wasn't that popular. He was popular for a second when he, Megan Fox ran away with the little boy, and people were questioning that.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
Right now, you're being a sucker. You need to stop.
No cap.
Let's get straight into today's horoscope. Our horoscope for today is Libra. You consider new prospects and look for potential opportunities, remaining open to proposals and fresh ideas. You're in need of some suggestions. Now, as you guys know, I myself am a Libra, so we will be posting a video of my birthday coming out soon.
Exactly. Happy birthday, Libras.
That's right. Dr. Ross and I will also be hosting an event on the 11th, so stay posted for that.
Let me in. Let me in.
Dr. Ross and I will be celebrating our birthdays in Dallas, Texas,
Los Angeles, California,
New York.
and none other than New Orleans. Live by, die by.
Get yourself some beignets while you're at it.
Exactly, because we will be up in there partying like the mofos.
That's
Because
right.
Black King Sebastian's party, though, is going to be exclusive to, his acting friends, friends of friends of friends, and it's going to be, if you get an invite, congratulations. If you don't, we'll see you on Instagram.
That's right. But we'll catch you guys on the next installment.
Of Rose and Gold.
That's for you, Kylie Jenner.
Ooh, I like your cut, G.
We'll catch you on the next installment. We'll catch you guys on the next installment.
Rose and Gold.